Today at 5, a number of new details in the case of a deputy shot and killed this week.
On the day the deputy is being remembered, we are learning some new information about his interactions with the man police say pulled the trigger. Anthony Antoine with that side of the story. Anthony.
Well, Rashi and Caroline, court documents say Deputy Maher Husseini had a cordial interaction with his accused killer just minutes before the shooting. It also says video from the deputy's dash cam caught the moments he was shot 13 times. And from there, a license plate reader and an alert criminal intelligence agent went to work tracking down Athir Maradi. Fox 26's Leslie DelasBour back on the story here today with more of the intricate details here from these court proceedings that happened earlier here today. Leslie.
Yeah, according to those court documents, this was no random act of violence, but Maradi targeted Husseini in this general area here after a cordial conversation before shooting him 13 times. All of this caught on video.
Mr. Maradi, you're in custody on a charge of evading detention with a motor vehicle. I'm going to go over your rights with you.
Thursday, 40-year-old Athir Maradi made his first appearance in front of a Galveston County judge after being released from the hospital and questioned by the Galveston Police Department Wednesday.
You can bring him to the front.
He is seen in this video bruised and scarred as a judge reads him his rights and charges, which is a third-degree felony for evading in a motor vehicle. He was spotted in this general area in Galveston by multiple agencies before taking off and crashing into water near the causeway.
I would like to have an attorney and a doctor because I was preventing from a doctor.
Sir, hang on. Answer my question, sir.
Yes.
Are you wanting a court-appointed attorney or are you going to hire your own?
If you can appoint me an attorney, I don't have even a break.
Maradi appeared to be disoriented during his magistrate hearing, making comments asking for a doctor and a glass of water.
And regarding the doctor, medical will do an evaluation. I've also ordered that a 1622 mental health evaluation be performed as well.
He is not to be released on bond and has asked for a court-appointed attorney. Now, that conversation between Maradi and Husseini again happened in this general area of the parking lot where inside Husseini actually has a business just in those windows that you see behind me there. Anthony?
All right, before you go, Leslie, really quickly here, at that very location, you mentioned the conversation between the two men. Did the court documents say anything about what happened after that?
Yeah, actually it did. So bear with me here. I want you to walk through this with me. So before all of that, Husseini actually came out of that door here. Again, his business is just beyond those windows. He came out of that door, was met Maradi here in this parking lot where his car was parked. The two had a conversation. Court documents say that the two men actually shook hands, and then after that, Husseini left the parking lot, making a right on Richmond, where Maradi followed him and shot him 13 times at the corner of Richmond and Fondren. Back to you all in the studio.